So over here you can see that I have this particular website. Let me just go around onto this site, and this is what I have. If someone were to actually go ahead and utilize this URL, then they would get to this site. But let's say what you want to do is you want to delete off the site entirely. If you want to do that, then you can simply go around onto your dashboard, and then over here you can go around under settings and then under general right here. So once you go around onto this page, you can simply scroll down, and over here you can see that delete your site permanently is an option. So if I were to go ahead and then click on delete your site permanently right here, then it says permanently delete your site and all of its content right here. So you can go ahead and export out the content before you delete as well. So it gives you as an option. But I don't really have any content that is important, so let me just go around and delete it straight ahead. So here it says to confirm, type in the URL of the site that you want to delete. So I'm just going to go around and type in tututube example.wordpress.com right here, just like this. So once I successfully type it in, you can see that the delete site button actually pops up. So I can simply go ahead and click, and it says tututube example is being deleted right here. And now you can see that I actually have two sites right here. And you can see that this site is still active, but this particular site has been deleted. So if I were to go around over here onto this particular URL and reset it out, for example, then it says tututube example.wordpress.com is no longer available. That is because the authors have deleted this site. So the users will get that particular message as well. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out your site entirely that you host in wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.